Hello, everyone. My name is Reed Sheriff. I'm a cloud solutions architect here at Microsoft. And today I wanted to talk to you about Copilot Prompts. Copilot is a great tool that you can utilize to help you become more productive and efficient at your daily tasks. But not even just daily tasks. What about those last minute requests that you get? So in today's example, we're going to focus on Cora Thomas. Cora Thomas is a product manager at our fictitious government agency, Future Ready Government Services Agency. And at FRGSA, they're working on a cloud modernization project. Now, she has a document going over all of the key points and where they are today. But for leadership, she knows she's going to need to create a deck that can help them go over a high level status of where they are today and where they're looking to go forward. So let's go take a look about how we can go about doing that for Cora to make life a lot more easier for her. Now, as you can see, we could easily go to Copilot, paste in my prompt, and add the document here. But to be a little bit more effective, and you can do either way, I just wanted to show how we can do it directly in PowerPoint. But actually, before we do that, let's take a look at the Word document itself. So this is the Word document that she has today that's going over all the different points where they are, key milestones, compliances they have achieved, and upcoming deliverables. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into PowerPoint and we're going to create a brand new PowerPoint. But this time we're going to utilize Copilot to help us to create this deck so we can save some time. So I'm going to paste in that same prompt that we looked at before. And we're going to add the document, the Word document that she has, as a basis for where we're going to get this PowerPoint deck information from. And off we go. We're going to let Copilot create a deck for us. Now, as Copilot is taking a look at this information, we can see that all the things that it's doing en route to getting our finalized deck. And voila, here's what we have. Now, keep in mind, you can tailor this in any way that you like. But we have our title, we have our agenda, introduction, project overview, key milestones, security compliance achievements, and upcoming deliverables. And as you see here, we also have speaker notes per slide. All of that was accomplished in this short Copilot prompt that I created here. Now, there are other things you could do. We could use a different template, or we could add more visualizations. The power is up to you. What would you have done to make this differently? And how would you have gone about accomplishing this same task? I hope you can see the benefits and the productivity that Copilot can bring you. Thank you for joining today, and we'll be talking to you soon. Take care.